Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math. And today we're going to learn about multi-step inequalities, and we're going to solve each inequality and graph its solution. So if I was given this inequality, negative x is less than a negative x plus 7 times x minus 2. Okay? Well, my first step is I'm actually, people have different ways they want to do this. I'm gonna distribute let's distribute the 7 first. I'm going to distribute the 7 first. So the negative x is right here by itself is less than negative x plus 7 times x is 7x, and 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. So now let's combine our like terms on each side. Negative x is still here on the left. Negative x plus 7x is 6x on the right, minus 14. Okay? So I'm going to bring my x's over, so let's just subtract the 6x to both sides. And that leaves me with negative x minus 6x is a negative 7x on the left is less than a negative 14 on the right. Okay? Well, now what I want to do is I'm going to get x by itself. So I'm going to divide by negative 7 to both sides. And that gives me x by itself. And negative 14 divided by negative 7 is a positive 2. But I need to flip the inequality because now I'm dividing by a negative over that inequality. So now we have x is greater than 2. Okay? And x is isolated, which that's fantastic, right? So now I need to graph it. Make a little graph here. Let's go by 2s. Let's put 0 here. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, negative 2, negative 4. Okay? Well, since x is just greater than 2, not equal to, we put an open circle at 2. And then we put our arrow to the right because x is greater than that 2. And now we have our graph here that matches our inequality, which is x is greater than 2. So let's recap. We're given negative x is less than negative x plus 7 times parentheses x minus 2. There's a few ways you could start this, but I chose to start it this way by distributing the 7 across to both parts, leaving me with negative x is less than negative x plus 7x minus 14. Combine my like terms on each side. Negative x plus 7x is 6x, and minus 14 was there, so then I subtracted 6x of both sides. Give me a negative 7x on the left is less than a negative 14 on the right. And then now I divide it by negative 7 over back to the right, leaving me x by itself on the left, and negative 14 divided by negative 7, because a negative divided by negative is a positive 2. But I also had to flip that inequality from a less than to a greater than sign, because I divided by a negative over that inequality. Now I had x isolated, and it was greater than 2. I put an open circle at 2 because it's not equal to 2, just greater than, and my arrow went to the right because it's greater than 2. So now my graph matched my final answer, which was x is greater than 2.